I'm expecting a lot of fun, a lot of masti. It's a chick flick, so it has to be fun. And I think, and Richa and Kalki are of course wonderful actors. So a great chemistry between them and some great performances. I'm really looking forward to it. Actually both. I mean, I work with Kalki, so I know Kalki closer than I know Richa. But I'm very fond of Richa as well. So let's see. And they're quite different looking. They're quite different in terms of the kind of films they do. So I want to see how they both come together and create their magic. Well, as I said, मैं already Kalki के साथ काम कर चुकी हूँ, तो I would love to explore an opportunity to work with Richa. I have a film called Raita with Irfan Khan, which is, I think we are looking at releasing it in February. So, and उसके अलावा I have a couple of more things that I'm starting very soon.
अभी आप ही इनसे बात कीजिए. सवाल कौन पूछेंगे? पूछिए. ये हैं मिर्ज़ा साहब, जिया के प्रोड्यूसर. Say what you want about the film.
Sir, I just want to say this. ये ख्वाब था जो दो लड़कियों के साथ देखा गया था, जो हमेशा से एक चीज़ थी कि लड़का लड़की. मैं स्वीडन में रहता हूँ 27 साल से, तो मैंने कभी ये इख्तलाफ देखा नहीं. So I just want to make something, and there's the stories on the screen about girls. We are equal. That's the message I want to give. That's it. Thank you.
नहीं, मैं चाहता हूँ कि फ्राइडे और जल्दी आ जाए. मैं वेट ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ उसका. बट इट्स ऑल इन कंट्रोल एंड नाउ इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द जनता. दे नीड टू कम एंड सी इट. हमको जनता तक पहुँचना है, रीच करना है. देखते हैं कल सुबह क्या होता है. आज वर्ड ऑफ माउथ क्या होता है. ये छोटी पिक्चर है, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ वाली पिक्चर है, तो होपफुली रीच आउट कर पाएंगे. Very confident. See, I have two very brilliant actors. I have one debutant who's done really well. All have fit into their roles really well. The story, screenplay, whatever was at the beginning of the film has come out even better. So there's a lot of confidence regarding the content. I only took up the film because of the content.
It has been shot in Sweden, what would you say something about the scales as well as the actors of
It's a wonderful place. See, Sweden, जहाँ जिस मुल्क में हमने शूट किया था, वहाँ का सिटी है माल्मो. वर्जिन लोकेशंस हैं, नए लोकेशंस हैं. लोग बड़े वेलकम करते हैं आपको वहाँ पे शूट करने के लिए. काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल सिचुएशन था. 30-40 दिन का हमारा शेड्यूल था. बड़े आराम से निकला था. एक्टर्स, हमारे जो एक्टर्स हैं फिल्म के, वो एक्टर्स हैं. They don't have any hang-ups with hanging around in the street and changing in a vanity van when there are difficult situations and stuff like that. तो वैसे कैमराडरी बहुत अच्छा था. वेरी इजी. जी, जब मैं खुश नसीब हूँ तो मैं एक्टर हूँ, वरना मैं बड़ा मेहनत करता हूँ कैमरा के पीछे. यस यस सॉन्ग का टोन आता है उसमें. हम लोग जब भी शूट करते थे तो जब जिया जो भी बोलते थे तो पुराना गाना याद आता था. हाँ, तो ऑटोमेटिकली सबके लिप्स पे वो गाना होता था. तो हमने सोचा उसको लेके उसको एक रीमेक्स बना के उसको सॉर्ट ऑफ. थैंक यू.
Feeling good. I'm feeling happy that it's finally coming out, because we've been waiting for it to release for a while. And yeah, I like to be calm on the day of my release. So tomorrow will be a calm day. I get all excited the last week before my film releases, and then it's like it no longer belongs to me. I think it's been really nice to do a film which is two girls going on a road trip, because we don't see a lot of girl bonding films, and we see a lot of boy bonding films. So that's the fun part of this movie for me.
So what is the memory you take from this movie?
My trip to Sweden. I mean, it's a beautiful country, and they have some strange traditions like jumping in ice cold water. So I'll remember a lot of things from Sweden. And of course, working with Richa and Arslan. Richa is anyway a friend, but working with her on a film has been amazing.
Okay, so what do you like to say to the audience for your
JRJ is releasing tomorrow. Book your tickets. See you at the theaters.
I'm sorry? What do I have to say? Well, I think we made the film with all the heart, and it's a good story. You have Kalki and Richa for the first time, and I hope that tomorrow is the release now. I hope that the kind of love we've gotten for the trailer and the songs, we get the film for the film also. Yeah, I'm very nervous. Yeah, it's my first film, so I'm very nervous. I'm excited also about it. We have been getting some reports and everything. So let's see. I think we are expecting it to at least, we are a small film. We're coming on a very limited screens. So I'm hoping that whatever we're coming on, we get some good response. For the memories, a lot of memories. Yeah, this is my first film. It's my Stupid. So I have every memory, like my every first thing that I've done, as far as acting is concerned, is from this film. So I have very fond memories, especially with the two girls, throughout the shoot. And yeah, now actually I'm more thinking about what is going to happen tomorrow. So that is something which my mind is preoccupied with. The trailer? Yeah, no, a lot of people gave me compliments. They said that you were looking natural and all that. But yesterday also we had a screening, and well, people seem to have liked it, some didn't like it, but overall I think we're fine. We're fine. I would like to say just please go and watch the film. Tomorrow is finally releasing. We have gone through a very hard, long struggle to release this film. It is a limited release. There are less screen shows, but please go watch it whenever you can.
हैप्पी दिवाली अगेन सबको जी I'm expecting a lot. I mean, I've loved the trailer of the film and I've worked with Howard sir, who's the director of the film. उनके साथ उन्होंने बहुत सारे हम लोग की फिल्म में जैसे प्यार का पंचनामा में उन्होंने गाने कोरियोग्राफी की थी उसकी. So I've worked closely with him. So I'm looking and expecting a lot out of this film and hoping कि ये film hit जाए, बहुत बड़ी hit हो. So yeah, I have to just watch the movie now. All of them यार, काल्की, रिचा, ये लोग बहुत अच्छे actors हैं. Arslan भी बहुत अच्छा actor है and I think I'm looking forward to all their performances and मतलब मैं favorite pick नहीं कर सकता. तीनों की performances अच्छी होंगी I'm sure. I'm working on this project, Sonu के T2 की Sweetie, which is with the director of प्यार का पंचनामा, Love Ranjan sir, and वो next year release होने वाली है, January 12th अभी उसकी tentative date है, and that's the only project which I'm doing currently. बिना रुके तो बहुत सारे ऐसे होने चाहिए. अभी देखेंगे आप लोग जब ट्रेलर आएगा, जो जल्दी ट्रेलर आएगा तो तब आपको देखने को मिलेगा. अभी मैं ज़्यादा रिवील नहीं कर सकता उसके बारे में, क्या कैरेक्टर है क्या चीज़, वो सारी चीज़ें अंडर रैप्स हैं. बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी एंटरटेनिंग.
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि ये फिल्म मेरे लिए काफ़ी ख़ास है. मेरे बहुत अजीज़ दोस्त ये फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर हैं, तो उनको शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ. और इतनी मेहनत से उन्होंने बनाई है, तो इतने प्यार से बनाई है, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म बहुत चले. और इट्स गॉट ग्रेट एक्टर्स, रिचा, कल्की आर ग्रेट एक्टर्स. हावर्ड इज़ अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड. मैं उनको एक्चुअली मेरे करियर के शुरुआत से जानता हूँ. उन्होंने मेरी पहली फिल्म मस्त को कोरियोग्राफ भी किया था. फारा खान भी थी और हावर्ड भी था, तो हमारी जान पहचान काफ़ी सालों से है. So I think because I know everybody, I'm quite excited for them, and I've come here to watch the film. I'm looking forward to watching it.
Have you seen the trailer?
Yes, I've seen the trailer.
So how was it?
I think it was great. I think it is. It's a feel-good space, which is like a rom-com, and I think such films can definitely do well.
So ये मूवी का रोड ट्रिप के ऊपर है. अगर आप जाना चाहें बॉलीवुड में से किसको पिक करना चाहेंगे अपने फ्रेंड कोई भी राइटर?
रोड ट्रिप के लिए
Me.
ये ना मेरी फ्रेंड माय वाइफ आई टेक हर ऑन अ रोड ट्रिप फर्स्ट
ओके तो कौन सा एक्सप्लोर करना चाहेंगे
हाँ
कौन सी कंट्री को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहेंगे रोड ट्रिप में
व्हाट कंट्री डू यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर रोड ट्रिप
I think Norway.
नॉर्वे
Yeah.
सुन रहे हो
मतलब अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम समझ जाओ
डेफिनेटली
जा रहा है
समझ गया कोई